Inside your chest, something can block your heart without you knowing.
Your heart beats thousands of times every day. But what happens when the blood feeding it suddenly gets blocked?
For many heart attacks, the story begins quietly, with plaque building inside a coronary artery over time. Then, sometimes without warning, a piece of that plaque can rupture. Your body tries to repair the damaged artery, but a blood clot can form and suddenly block the flow of blood. Is being starved of oxygen, and the clot is suffering on the oxygen. With damage in the longer blood flow remains blocked, your body may send warning signals. Pressure or discomfort in the chest. If blood flow isn't restored, the oxygen-starved heart muscle begins to become injured, and some of those cells can die. A heart attack doesn't only damage muscle. Injured heart tissue can also interfere with the heart's electrical system. At the hospital, doctors quickly look for evidence of heart damage, using tests such as an ECG and blood tests for cardiac biomarkers like troponin. Doctors can also use imaging to locate the blockage and determine how much of the heart is affected. In many cases, doctors can reopen the artery. They use angioplasty to place a stent. This helps keep blood flowing freely. As blood flow returns, oxygen reaches the heart again. Fast treatment can limit the amount of permanent damage. The extent of damage depends partly on the area affected. A heart attack can begin inside an artery long before you see it. If you have possible heart attack symptoms, don't wait. Call 911. Minutes matter.